Hey guys, welcome back to DSC. Hope you are well. So in this video we will be doing the third important question which I discussed in the last video of the orthogonal trajectory. If you haven't watched the concept and previous video of important questions, please watch that out. I put the link in the description as well. So now the third question which we have got is x square plus y square equals to cx square. What we used to do was we used to take c equals to x square plus y square upon x cube, like we used to segregate the constant and variables till now. Now instead of differentiating this, I'll differentiate this so that it is easy to solve. So, and even I had to show you another method like which I was talking about in the previous video. So differentiating with respect to x, we got 2x plus 2y equals to 3x square into c. Here it is dy by dx as well. So now the first step was to find dy by dx, right? So for this we had to remove c. For removing c, we had to put in the values of c, that is x square plus y square by x cube. Now here x cube gets cancelled and it gets power 1, right? So now I'll just open up the bracket and we have got this 2x I subtracted to the right hand side. We've got 2y dy by dx equals to 3x plus 3y square by x minus 2x, right? So now we are given with this equation. Now what we do is I take this 2y, divide the whole equation by 2y, so we have got x by 2y plus 3y square by 2xy. Now what I do is we have got this, right? So here this is a slope, we had to find the negative reciprocal, so we've got dy by dx equals to minus 2xy upon x square by 3y square. Now if we look here, what we see is that we cannot open up this, right? This x square plus 3y square, we cannot open up this because this is an LCM. Also we cannot take y to one side, x to one side, so that we can solve it by integration, because the third step was integration. So what I thought instead was to take dx by dy, right? How? If we take dx by dy, like if we take whole of the reciprocal of the whole thing, we have got x square plus 3y square upon 2xy. So opening up the LCM, we are left with this equation, right? So if we look, this is Bernoulli equation, like dx by dy into x, this is p equals to q into x to the power n, right? This is n. So now this is a Bernoulli form. So what we have to do in Bernoulli form, if you're not clear with the concept, please watch my previous videos. I have uploaded a full video on the concept and one more video on the important question solving the Bernoulli equation. So now we divide the whole equation by x to the power minus 1, and after dividing, it is actually multiplying the equation by x because it is 1 by x, and if we divide something by 1 by x, it ultimately comes out to be as x. So now we're left with this equation. So what we do, the second step was to use the transformation, right? So we use v equals to x to the power 1 minus n. So here n is minus 1, so it comes out to be v equals to x square, because minus minus gets cancelled and it comes out to be positive. So now we have to differentiate with respect to y. Why with respect to y? Because initially we used to do dy by dx, so we used to differentiate with respect to x, but now we are doing it with respect to y, like the opposite thing. So differentiating with respect to y, we got dv by dy as 2x dx by dy, right? So we just put in the values of dv by dx, like we have got x dx by dy, like this one. So it is equal to 1 by 2 dv by dy, and the second is x square, which is v. So we just put in the values in the equation, so we have got this equation. So just opening up the brackets, like multiplying it by v and taking 2 common, like if we take 2 LCM, all the 2's get cancelled. So now we are left with this equation. This is a linear equation. If you have any doubt in linear, check out my previous videos. So here p is 1 by y and q is minus 3y. So we have to find integrating factor, which is e to the power integration of py dy. So it is 1 by y dy integration, so that is log y, and if we solve it, we get y as the integrating factor. Now the solution used to be v into if equals to integration of if into qy dy plus c. So just putting on the values of if and qy, we have got this equation. So we take minus 3 by 2 common, and we have to now solve y square, integration of y square. We are not touching the left hand side right now because we just have to put in the values of v here, nothing else. So solving the integration of y square, we have got y cubed by 3. So that is minus 3 by 2 y cubed by 3 plus C. So opening up the bracket, like if we open up the bracket, this 3 gets cancelled and we have got minus 1 by 2 y cube and minus 3 by 2 c, like we have c itself. So this is the equation. Now we take this to the left hand side so that it is added, and even I've put in the value of v, that is x square. So now this is your final equation, where in c is minus 3 by 2 capital C. So as C is an arbitrary constant, like whenever you get C, you just put in as C1, C2, and mention it as an arbitrary constant, because constant can be anything. So this is the final output. Hope you understood it. So this was it for the video, and please watch my previous videos. If you have any doubt, comment down. Please like, share, comment if you like the effort, and please subscribe to the channel so that we are motivated. And that was it for the video. In the next video we will be doing the concept of oblique trajectories, and yeah, till then keep supporting us, stay tuned and stay safe.